This video is going to be how to draw a betta fish. Okay, so you're going to hold your paper horizontal and we are going to draw with a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie, so make sure that you follow my guide, draw light, so in case you mess up, the lines will go away, and please pause if I go too fast. The first shape we are going to draw is a circle towards the left side of your paper. Okay, up here, simple circle. Okay, inside the next shape is going to be a backwards letter C shape, and then a small circle inside for the pupil. Alright, color that in at the end of the video. And the next shape we're going to draw is going to be a smiley face. So you're going to hold your pencil right here and do a smiley face, but don't go all the way up. So you're going to start the smiley face and go straight out. Okay, you're going to do a backwards letter C, and then you're going to connect the lines just like that. Next shape we're going to draw is going to connect a curve, a small curve like this, and then you're going to connect this point to this point. So put your pencil up here, make a curved line and connect. Please pause the video if I am going too fast. Next shape we're going to draw is the top lip of the fish. We're going to go up like this. Okay, curve going down, upside down letter U, and then connect just like that. Okay, next shape that we're going to draw is the top of the fish. Okay, we're going to connect your pencil right here at the top of the lip, small curve, and then go up, make a long curved line, just like that. Okay, the next shape, put your pencil at the bottom of the lip, you're going to follow the line, and then you're going to go around like a smiley face, and connect to the point. These points right here connect. Alright, next shape, we are going to draw the gills. So right here where the mouth is, I'm going to draw a curved line going up, curved line going down, and then some sideways letter U shapes to connect, just like that. Okay, so that's the gill. Next shape, we're going to draw the dorsal fin up top. So we're going to make some wavy lines. Put your pencil up here, just kind of go up, and then you're going to go back down. Make sure it's just wavy, some long and short. Go up and down, long and short. And then I'm going to make one that's kind of real curved like that. And then I'm going to go back in, and that is your dorsal fin. So it doesn't have to look exactly like mine, just make some wavy lines in and out. Alright, the next shape we're going to use is the fins at the bottom. Okay, so if you notice that the betta fish has multiple colors, so after we color it'll look real pretty, and you'll see the difference in colors you can choose. But we're going to make some wavy lines again. You're going to go down, and you're going to go in, down, make some more. Okay, and then I'm going to do a second one. So these, I'm just making some long and short. Okay, and I'm going to make a big one now. They do not have to be exactly like mine. Just make some wavy lines in and out. In and out. Just long and short. Okay, and then in and out, and I'm going to connect to the body. Okay, so remember, like I said, these fish do not have to look like mine, but we're making some wavy lines. Okay, now we're going to do the back tail. We're going to go start here at the end, towards the end. You're going to go in like this, come out. Same thing on the other side. So you're going to try to do it parallel. You're going to go this way, and you're going to go like this. So they kind of look opposite directions. And now make some wavy in and out. Long, short, in and out. Same on this side. Okay, and then connect to the middle, just like that. This one's going to connect. Alright, and then the next shape we're going to do are some little scales. And all they are, sideways letter U's like that. Then make a couple of them connect like that. I'm going to do some more on this part. So you can fill up the whole body if you want. I'm not going to do the whole body, but all you do is some sideways letter U's backwards letter C's. Okay, and that there is your betta fish. So what I did too is towards the end of a few of them, I made some real skinny swirl lines just to make it real pretty. So you go ahead and get your color pencils and your crayons, or your crayons. Make sure you color whatever colors you want. Make sure you look at the betta fish. There are multiple colors, very pretty. So blend the colors, and hopefully you had fun making this betta fish using lines and shapes. If you want to add some detail here, I did some just wavy lines here. Okay, so hopefully you had fun making this betta fish. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more videos every week.